Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट डाले मुझे to do my top kind of 10 summer fragrances. But जब मैंने pick and choose करना start किया, so I came up with a category of best fruity Middle Eastern fragrances which are best for summers. So that's what I'm going to share with you today, and these are not top 10 because I just could not pick only 10. I have around 12 to 15 fragrances to share with you. So this is like the best of all. एंड कोई ऐसी प्रेफरेंस नहीं है कि दिस इज़ माई नंबर वन, दिस इज़ माई नंबर टू, ऐसी कोई प्रेफरेंस नहीं है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेयर द बेस्ट of fruity Middle Eastern fragrances with you guys, and I hope that you like this compilation. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So the first one that I want to talk about is Bright Peach, and this one is from Maison Alhambra. ये Tom Ford का Bitter Peach का एक dupe था, and this one is a very different peachy fragrance which is also powdery, it is also bitter, and it feels like a total peach ka tree, not just the fruit. You know what I mean? Like a wholesome काइंड ऑफ अ पीची फ्रेग्रेंस जिसमें लीफ के भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, पेड़ के बार्क और ब्रांचेस के एलिमेंट्स हैं, रूट्स के एलिमेंट्स हैं, फ्रूट के एलिमेंट्स हैं, एंड दैट बिटरनेस, पीच के वो छिलके का बिटरनेस है. एवरीथिंग लाइक अ होलसम पीच ट्री. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील लाइक. It's powdery, it is summer appropriate, and it is unisex fragrance, and I have been really enjoying this summer because it works perfectly for layering. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I want to make it sweeter, तो मैं इसको vanilla based perfume के साथ pair up करती हूँ, layer करती हूँ. So एक काफ़ी universally flattering fragrance है. It's a compliment getter. Many people notice this, that you are smelling different and you get tons of compliment with this one. So I find this to be a very magical kind of a fragrance, a very different take on a peach fragrance, and this is one of the best recommendations from this haul. Next, I want to talk to you about Royal Blends, and this is Khaltat Al Arabia, and I think this is from Latafa. And ye Royal Blends is a very beautiful kind of like a fruity woody bowl, sort of like, just imagine एक wooden bowl में बहुत सारे fruits एक साथ रख दिए हैं. So the mixture of kind of like woodiness, that little bit of woodiness, and lots of fruit juices combined together makes this one. This is a very unique kind of like a fruity woody fragrance in my opinion. This is not a generic fruity fragrance at all, and ये ऐसी फ्रेग्रेंस है जो समर के डे टाइम से लेके इवनिंग्स एंड नाइट में भी कैरी ऑफ आप कर सकते हो. लाइक दिस इज अ गुड काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ डे टू इवनिंग नाइट ट्रांजिशन kind of a fragrance. This is how this perfume looks like. It is very unique. The juice color is very warm and ambery, and this in itself is a very warm ambery fragrance with lots of fruit elements to it, and I feel it perfect to be worn during day as well as night. My next two recommendations are these two. This is Latafa Yara, and this one is Paris Corner Kisa Pink. Now इन दोनों की scent profile थोड़ी बहुत similar है और थोड़ी बहुत different है, तो मैं इन दोनों को ही include करना चाहती थी. ये वाला फ्रेग्रेंस एक थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क शेक स्वीट पाउडरी मस्की फ्रेग्रेंस है, जबकि किसा पिंक एक एप्पल कोकोनटी थोड़ा सा हल्के फ्लोरल नोट्स के साथ एक वेनिलिक क्रीमी फ्रेग्रेंस है, अगेन अ कोकोनटी क्रीमी फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो पाउडरी एंड मस्की. दोनों का फ्रूट बेस थोड़ा अलग है, बट दोनों का ही एक काइंड ऑफ लाइक मिल्क शेक वाइब है. डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स बट मिल्क शेक वाइब है. दिस इज perfect for daytime. This is very powdery and musky. Both of these give kind of like a borderline baby wipe, baby powder sort of a feel. तो काफ़ी different है, but दोनों ही बहुत feminine, elegant, soft fragrances हैं. Perfect for summertime. My next recommendation is this one. ये relatively new है मेरे collection पे, और I think अभी तक इसका full length review मैंने नहीं किया है, but I had to include it in this list. This one is Badia Al Oud from Latafa, and this one is called as Sublime. Now Sublime is a very gorgeous kind of like a juicy apple. It's kind of like a juicy apple fragrance, and this literally gives me like a apple shampoo vibe to it. It has a soapy kind of like a shampoo vibe to it, which is very fresh, reminds me of Fructis shampoo for some reason. This is super projective, super long lasting, super performing fragrance. You cannot go wrong with this fragrance. Like, it is so fresh, so juicy and so potent. Like, even धूप में अगर आप ये पहन के जाओगे ना तो भी इसका इफेक्ट कम नहीं होता. This is that kind of a performing, kind of like a beast mode in summer time. And if you are a sweaty soul जिसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसीना आता है, you need a perfume like this, so that you know people around you are not horrified and terrified by your sweatiness. This is the kind of fragrance that you need to put. So gorgeous now, I can't even like put into words. This is super elegant. I don't want to run out of this fragrance. I've been enjoying this fragrance so much. Day in, day out, I'm like putting this one and I'm sorted for the summers. It's that kind of a fragrance. And this is also a dupe for, I think, what is it called? From Kayali. It is Eden Juicy Apple fragrance. I think that's what it's called. So this is a good dupe for it. And this is like a better version of that fragrance. The next one is Latafa Yara 2s. Now this is relatively new in my collection again, but I have been enjoying this so much. This is a rich Alfonso mango coconut passion fruit rich fragrance, which has some floral notes creeping in, but trust me, this is overall like a fruity, woody, sweet, creamy, vanillic fragrance. It is so good. It is also musky and powdery and also has some maturity of cashmere and woods in it. And of course, the vanilla is binding everything together. This feels like a mango shake or a mango bite mixed with coconut sorts. This is so tropical, so summer appropriate. This is perfect for a summer daytime. It feels like a picnic to me, literally. I'm not a fan of the bottle, but the juice inside is what matters the most to me. I think this is superb. And one more thing is, you just need to overspray this one to get a good projection and longevity. Otherwise, this is a relatively weaker fragrance. With lesser number of sprays, you're not going to get the effect and you're not going to feel satisfied. So go ham with it. Overspray the hell out of this and then you will be satisfied with this fragrance. My next recommendation is again from Latafa, and this is a Badi Al Oud Honor and Glory, and this is a very beautiful kind of like a pineapple creme brulee fragrance with hints of oak moss या mossiness and थोड़ा सा you know turmeric, vanilla. इसमें बहुत कुछ है. Again ये थोड़ा सा powdery लगता है इसमें. Don't worry, that turmeric note is not इतना प्रोमिनेंट कि आपके नोज को पता चलेगा कि इसमें टर्मरिक है, वैसा वाला फील नहीं है. अ वेरी वेल राउंडेड फ्रेग्रेंस. दिस इज अ बीस्ट मोड ऑन मी. अगेन लताफा बादी अल ऊद in itself, complete series, complete range is a beast mode. You can pick any fragrance from that series and it's a beast mode fragrance. I've gotten so many compliments on this one, I cannot even explain. Like, एक fair में I was just passing through a stall and that stall guy called me and he said, oh my god, I can smell you just when you're passing through my stall and you are smelling incredible. And I was in awe of it the moment, because I wore this like in the morning and around 4 I was in the fair and इतनी धूप थी and उसमें भी ये प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा था. I was like, क्या है ये परफ्यूम, मतलब इतना beast mode. So if you're looking for a beast mode fragrance, this is a pineapple creme brulee, very creamy, rich fragrance with lots of woodiness and some oak moss in it, which gives a oud-like feel in this fragrance. बहुत हटके fragrance है ये वाला, तो आपको definitely इसको try करना चाहिए, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. My next recommendation is from Latafa. This is one of their best sellers and this is called as Khaid Al Farsan Unlimited, and this is how the bottle looks like. थोड़ा सा एक crack आ गया मेरी bottle में. My daughter dropped it and it cracked, but thankfully सिर्फ कोना ही कटा है, बाकी कुछ damage नहीं हुआ. So the quality is good, I can assure that. And this fragrance went viral on the internet, especially on TikTok. This is a very gorgeous, creamy, milky, pineapple-y, fruity, lactonic, heavy fragrance. If you don't like milky fragrances, this is not something that you'll like. But I find this super sexy. This is sexy. This is sweet. This is nurturing kind of a fragrance. This is cozy. This is everything that I want in my summer fragrance. I have been enjoying this so much, especially because I love lactonic fragrances. मुझे milky fragrances बहुत पसंद है and इसमें lactonicness बहुत heavy है. I just want to put this on. This is so good. It is also powdery. It is very milky. It's so milky. So I love this one. I'm not saying that this is a safe blind buy because not everyone loves the milkiness that this has. I love and I adore this fragrance, and this is a super long lasting on me, so I love the fact that it performs like a beast on me. इसका भी फुल रिव्यू अभी तक मैंने मेरे चैनल पे नहीं किया है, so I'm kind of giving you like a peep to what is coming in the future, but I hope that you are enjoying it so far. The next perfume that I want to talk about is Paris Corner Nouveau. Now this one is again a pineapple heavy fragrance. Actually this recommendation has a lot of pineapple fragrances in it, right? Summers में pineapple, mango, lychee यही सब fragrances ज़्यादा famous हो जाते हैं. This is a very different pineapple fragrance from all the other fragrances that I told you. This is a through and through pineapple fragrance, but इसमें बहुत सारे warm woody notes हैं जिसकी वजह से एक ऊद का feeling आता है इसमें. You know, थोड़ा cedar wood and oak moss and pineapple, ये तीन notes इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा prominent हैं. एक earthiness है, woodiness है, एक थोड़ा सा of course pineapple का tartness है, sweetness है, थोड़ा bergamot का खट्टापन है. बहुत डिफरेंट पाइनएप्पल फ्रेग्रेंस है ये, लेकिन द पाइनएप्पल डजंट फेड अवे, लाइक थ्रू एंड थ्रू पाइनएप्पल फ्रेग्रेंस. एंड दिस इज क्वाइट अ यूनिसेक्स फ्रेग्रेंस. एवरीवन कैन एंजॉय दिस वन. अ वेरी फ्रेश एंड दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस जो आप सुबह से शाम तक, रात तक ट्रांजिशन में लगा सकते हो. देन वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फ्रेग्रेंसेज, I love this fragrance so much, and this is called as Pear Potion, and this is from Paris Corner. Now this one feels like a pear shampoo to me. It has very solid note of pear with lots of vanilla and sugar and some other fruity elements. It feels like a fruit bowl. It feels like a pear ice cream. It has a very beautiful kind of like a vanillic ice cream tone to this mixed with pear. हल्का सा सिरपी भी लगता है ये, थोड़ा सा, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा सिंथेटिक भी लगता है, बट आई डोंट माइंड दैट क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पैर का एक नेचुरल टार्टनेस भी कवर हो जाता है उसमें, वो जो थोड़ा सा सिंथेटिक सा नोट आता है. आई लव दिस सो मच. दिस इज अ बीस्ट मोड ऑन मी, गोज फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स एंड आवर्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक अ बीस्ट, एंड आई हैव गॉटन सो मैनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. लाइक समर्स में, यू नो, समर्स में फ्रेग्रेंसेस जल्दी उड़ जाते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. दे डोंट सिट वेरी क्लोज टू मी, बट सम ऑफ दीज फ्रेग्रेंसेस जो मैंने आपको रेकमेंड किए वो इतने लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और इतने बीस्ट मोड है ना. आई डोंट नो ये मिडिल ईस्टर्न ब्रांड्स कैसे कर रहे हैं, बट हैव बिन लविंग दिस फ्रेग्रेंस. मैं इसी में मैंगो पंच भी आपको रेकमेंड करना चाहती थी, बट अभी तक आई कुड नॉट गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन इट. मैंने आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट टू बी अवेलेबल ऑन पैरिस कॉर्नर इंडिया, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सस्ता मिल रहा है एज कम्पेयर टू ऑल दी अदर वेबसाइट्स. सो आई वॉन्ट टू पर्टिकुलरली ऑर्डर फ्रॉम दैट वेबसाइट ओनली. सो आई डोंट रियली वॉन्ट टू ओवर स्पेंड ऑन अ परफ्यूम विच इज ऑलरेडी कमिंग इन लेस प्राइस इन अदर website. So I'm just waiting for it to be available, but Mango Punch is also one of the recommendations that I want to put here. Now this one is a Kahila, and this is also from Paris Corner. This is Kahila Platinum fragrance, and this one is a very gorgeous, like a coconut water fragrance mixed with some fruits and aquatic marine notes in it, and it literally feels like, you know, you are sipping coconut water, wearing some floral garlands, sitting at the side of the beach, and you're like just getting that marine vibe, थोड़ा सा oak moss vibe, marine vibe, पत्थरों का थोड़ा सा earthiness, you know, everything. This is like a beach in a bottle for me. This is not particularly like a fruity fragrance per se, but the coconut in this and the tropicalness in this, I just had to include it in this one. This is a very gorgeous fragrance. Again, this is a unisex fragrance, so everyone can enjoy this one. I have put in a huge dent in this, considering so many bottles of perfumes that I have. I have been really enjoying this one. So that completes the compilation today. These were all the fruity Middle Eastern summer appropriated fragrances for you guys. I hope that you liked the compilation. There was so much to talk about, but I tried to keep it short and sweet so that you can get an idea of what the fragrance is all about. Most of the fragrances that I have shown you today, almost 60% K full length reviews are also available on my channel. So you can, if you need more details on each perfume, you can go and check out those. And the ones which are not yet reviewed, stay tuned. I am going to review them soon. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Also send in your recommendations, and based on the perfumes that I have, I will definitely create the content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.